Good afternoon from the beautiful foothills of the Catskill Mountains. This is Will from Catskills Outdoors, and I just wanted to do showing with our new laser sighted mill. And these are the 2x4s that we just milled out. You see the ends of them there? Zoom in for you a little bit. They're perfect 2x4s. We said it would be simple set mechanism here. And so what we do here, very simple, is we set it for 2 1/8. This gives us this takes into consideration the 1/8" perf on every pass. It gives us a perfect 2-inch, or we could set it, we just did just now, we could set this for 2x4s. This should be 4 1/8. Right there. So we would leave it there. We could then back up our mill, tap the down lever once, and this mill will actually go down exactly. So how it goes. Exactly 4 inches and 1/8. That is ready to come through your next camp. Alright? So just wanted to do a follow-up video on these 2x4s. Give a good look at them. Pretty nice. And then again, it's a perfect 2x4. Hey guys, this is Will from Catskills Outdoors. This is a skill set to help you survive out there long term. We're not just surviving, but we're thriving out here. So we can build this lumber like this. You can build structure. You can build cabin. You could sell this stuff or barter for whatever you needed. So here's our wood pile. We've got some lumbies in there, a bunch of siding boards. Here's the rest of my 2x4s over here. Getting ready to utilize these. You can see the rough edges on these. These are from the top where we had the live edge. We just maximized our camp. Milled out a couple 2x4. These would be great. It would be fine. Structurally, they're perfectly fine. The ends there, a little bit of waste will be out there, but that's okay. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll come back to you with some more videos. Hopefully help you not only survive, but thrive in the outdoors. All right. Have a good evening.